This YouTube channel has millions of views and is monetized, all by making YouTube shorts. And if they can do it, so can you. These shorts mainly consist of random animal facts with stock footages, background music, subtitles, and a voiceover. Short form video content is on the rise with millions of views every single day, but creating them takes a lot of time, and that's where AI comes in. Video creation is made simple thanks to Fliki. It's a website where you can create text to video along with human-like voiceover in just a few minutes. To get started, click on Start for free. Here, click on Continue with Google. Now click on New File. Here you have to name the file and can even choose the language as well as the dialect. After you're done with that, click on Submit. If you like, you can create the videos manually as well by adding layers, even choosing from voiceovers, adding your own clips, and changing the subtitles. But we're gonna take the help of AI to generate our video. So click on Convert, then click on Idea to Video, and simply give a short description like Facts about Eagles. After that, you can choose the video length and style. After choosing the style, click on Submit. After a few seconds, it has generated a few scenes for us. If you click on a layer, you get to see many options on the right side. You can now edit your video as you like. You can change the images and video clips, adjust the duration and order of each scene, add transitions and effects, and even customize the subtitles as well as the voiceover. If you click on the voiceover name, you'll see plenty of voices and can choose whichever suits your video the best.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using
Fliki helps you create
audio and video.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
After choosing a voice, click on Apply this voice to all voiceovers, then click on Select. The voice is now added to all layers. Now let's get to the subtitles. You can choose their position, size, fonts, colors, and so much more. I personally like to choose bright colors with dark backgrounds. After that, simply click on Apply to all layers. Another thing you can do is changing the background music, and it's all available here in the stock library. Sometimes AI just doesn't choose the best clips for your video, but don't worry, you can choose your own clips from the stock library. All you have to do is type in whatever clip you want. I like this clip, so I'm gonna choose it. Don't forget that since we're creating a YT short video, we need to make sure it's in that ratio as well. To do that, click on Settings, choose the portrait aspect ratio, and then click on Save. There are still a few scenes which I would like to change, so I'm just gonna click on that layer and change those clips by replacing them with other stock library clips. You can even change the layout of the clip. Now let's watch the end result.
Facts about eagles. Eagles, nature's majestic flyers, rule the skies with grace. Their sharp vision can spot prey from miles away. Imagine a 24th vision. Next, their lifespan is stunning. Some eagles can live up to 70 years. That's 7 decades soaring high. Eagles are powerful hunters too. With their strong talons, they can snatch up fish effortlessly. Finally, the bald eagle isn't actually bald. Its white head against its brown body gives the illusion. Eagles, truly fascinating creatures.
To download your video, click on the download option. Then click on Start Export. After the processing is done, click on Download File. In this video, I just went through the basics. Now it's up to you how you make your YouTube shorts interesting and creative. That's all for today. See you in the next video.